So this is the view from the outside, guys. So I have a bird here, my plants. I block the plants so the pets won't jump off. And I have here, let me show you. So this is my guinea pig place. It's a DIY carton, it's a box home. Hello guys, good morning and happy Tuesday to everyone. And today's vlog is gonna be so quick. I just want to share with you my new place for my pets. Actually, I put them in the balcony so they have enough room or enough space to roam around, and not just only inside the cage, because animals also needs exercise, okay, and also they needs fresh air and sun where it gives them a vitamin D. So as you can see, I have here, this is my cockatiel bird. He is actually outside right now and is making so much noise. I think he wants to come inside. But anyway, let me show you how I managed to put them outside in my balcony safely. As you can see, hello! So this is my cockatiel bird. See? Hey! Come na! Come. Here he is. So this is my cockatiel bird. Come on. I give him a bath every single day. So normally he gets his bath every afternoon. So right now it's still around 11 o'clock in the morning. So maybe probably when Isabella comes from school around 3 o'clock, I will give him a bath. So this is one pet I have. And the second one, let me show you. Wait. And the second one is here actually. Guess what's in here? This is actually my turtle. It's my baby turtle. I think he's sleeping again. Right? He's sleeping. He's sleeping right now. So this is one I have right now. He's sleeping. Such a cute baby turtle. See, as you can see, it's a baby turtle. So there. And one more here is my as you can see, it is my guinea pig. He is inside the box. Actually, this box, my daughter and I, we made a DIY house for the brownie or my guinea pig, okay, so he could if he wants to sleep there, he have a one room for him. But most of the time, he is actually running outside. He will be running outside in this space, and sometimes he hides at the back of or in between of my pots. He hides there, or sometimes he hides in this side or in that side. Okay, so the reason why I put these pots like this position, on this position, so I could block the grill so they won't jump off. So I put the block here. And this is my bird. Hello. Hi. And I put here a newspaper, so when my bird poo, it just directly go to the paper. It doesn't mess up my floor. And then I just fold it and through, and then on the next day I'll put a fresh one. But once a week I'm mopping this floor because my guinea pig is here also. This is my 3 pets outside in my balcony, and my hamster, I don't trust her because she's a girl. I don't trust her to bring her outside. because she's more, active, and she wants to venture, she wants to, climb up and down. My guinea pig, my guinea pig just stay on the floor. And my bird also doesn't fly, so he just stay there. And the turtle, of course, it will always be stay in the pot, so it doesn't move. He's still a baby actually. So, my God, it's getting dark or something. Wait, okay. So now, that's all guys, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye!